Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my channel English Zone. Here you will watch videos of NCERT books, grammar and writing skills. In this particular video, you will find the explanation of the poem Rain on the Roof. Rain on the Roof is a poem from class 9th. This poem is written by Coates Kinney. Before starting the explanation, let me tell you about the poet. Coates Kinney was born on 24 November 1826. He was an American lawyer, politician, journalist and poet from United States. Kinney caught an inspiration one night while trying to sleep in the old cottage dormitory, and there put on paper this beautiful bit of verse, The Rain on the Roof. Now, let me give you introduction of the poem Rain on the Roof. The poet shares his experience of blissfulness as he hears the patter of the rain on the roof of his cottage. He visualizes that raindrops are like the tears shed by the shining starry sky when it gets overcast with dark clouds. The poet feels that each drop of rain falling on the tiles of the roof sends him into imaginative flights, and he begins to fancy innumerable associations connected with it. He at once thinks of his mother, whose benevolent looks appear before him. He experiences a great satisfaction in her looks as he enjoys listening to the patter of the rain on the roof. Let's see stanza 1 of the poem Rain on the Roof. In this stanza, the poet has described a rainy night as the rain-bearing clouds cover the stars in a blanket of darkness. The starry glimmer disappears from the sky, and a tinge of nostalgia envelops the poet's heart. The falling rain reflects his sorrowful mood, and the raindrops look like tears falling softly from human eyes. It seems as if the sky joins him in shedding pensive tears in solitude. At this point, the only thing that can lift the cloud of melancholy from the poet's heart and fill him with bliss is to curl up with a pillow in the bed of a country cottage room. Now, get the meaning of some words from stanza 1. Humid means wet. Shadows refers to the moisture-laden clouds which cast a shadow on the earth. Melancholy means sadness. Hover over means stay in the air in one place. Overhead means above the head. Bliss means happiness. Patter means sound of falling raindrops. Cottage chamber means the bedroom. Let's see stanza 2. Now here we have meaning of some words from stanza 2. Tinkle means sound of rain falling on stones. Echo means resounding sound. Recollections means memories. Shingles means small smooth stones. Fancies means imagined things. Woof means thread woven across the loom. Let's see explanation of stanza 2. The raindrops fall on the tiles of the roof, and his beating heart echoes each sound that is made by the tinkle of the falling shower. As the poet lies dreamily tucked into bed with the soft pillow and listens to the sound of the soft and continuous falling rain, his memories come back to him. Countless strands of his imagination appear before his eyes and are interwoven to form a colorful patchwork. Let's see stanza 3 of the poem. Let's know meaning of some words from stanza 3. Agone means that is past now. Ere means before. Down means early morning. List means old word for listen. Refrain means a repeated part of a song or a poem. Hear the sound of the poem. Let me explain stanza 3. In the lattice of memories formed in his mind, with the sound of the raindrops on the tiled roof, the poet identifies traces of his childhood. The first memory in the brightly colored entanglement is of his mother. He reminisces or he remembers how many years ago in his childhood his mother used to gaze lovingly at the poet and his siblings while they peacefully slept, wrapped in the pleasant dreams. She would look adoringly at her beloved children before she left them there, safely tucked in, till the next morning. He can still feel her gaze upon him as he lies in the bed and listens to the repetitive musical sound made by the raindrops on the tiled roof. Thank you for watching this video.